So upstairs is complete. The builders are in downstairs. We're gonna get to work. I'm excited. You're gonna enjoy this video. So before the upstairs got ripped apart, we had to start with downstairs. Mark and Nico, our two longest rappers, started stripping the unit piece by piece. From the floor to the ceiling, they stripped everything to take to their own unit. Now it's all out, it's time to get to work. Stress levels 10-10. I've got to go and film in Tottenham. I've got to do voiceover in Tottenham to finish off How We Hustle podcast, because the last time I was doing it, I was coughing, so I couldn't do all my pickups. And now obviously Ashfield's truck's turned up. Terry, I'm disappointed in you, Terry. Daniel's abroad. Daniel's, can I say where he is? Yeah, I won't say where he is, but Daniel's abroad, shout out Ashfield. They were supposed to send the concrete or whatever it was to fill these holes yesterday, but it was too cold, fair enough. And I spoke to Terry, and Terry's like, mate, I'm gonna get that there for you, don't worry, leave it with me. I said, okay, just let me know when it's coming. I'll phone you, Yan. Terry! Didn't phone me. A million cars everywhere, a million builders everywhere, and now we have to panic and obviously get these holes filled. It's just the joys of doing building work. It's like doing my house all over again. But anyway, Ashfield sorted it. Shout out, Terry, I'll give you a shout out because you did make it happen like you said. You just forgot to tell me. Because they haven't got the chutes, they haven't got the 6 metre chutes, he's only got I think a metre and a metre. Going into the main unit is fine, the other unit is too short. So we'll see if we can get some wheelbarrows or some shovels or something because it's short. Matt, come to the front, let me see what we can get. Hey, turn that off, bruv.
How'd we get on?
Not too bad.
How long does it normally take to dry?
In this weather? I've got no idea. I would say to cure 100%, I don't know. Or maybe a week. We'll sit by tomorrow, but it will still be green. But we're not in too much of a rush.
Why are you not working? So all of a sudden you worked all these years and now you're not working. Nico's come in today. Why are you not working? Lazy now, lazy.
We're just going to go somewhere else, like,
Where are you going?
to check some staircase. Yeah.
Staircase? What are you doing, a house?
No, for you.
I know for Jesus. You've had those keys for how many years?
13 years. Time to give it back.
Nico's always had keys. There was always Nico and Mark's keys. It was always Nico. Nico always held the keys though, didn't he?
Yeah, but,
Even though it was both your keys, Nico was always the one that held the keys. They turned up together, they didn't need a set of keys each. Alright, let's do it. Let's do it. Hand the keys. Ah! That's it.
Testing. 1, 2, 3. ASMR. It is Friday morning and we are actually trying out a new concept that we thought of. So yeah, we're just testing the cameras, lighting, sort of setting the scene and seeing how it looks. So hopefully you'll see it when it comes out.
I feel like men are a bit more confident than women in terms of driving.
And I'm into cars, but I wouldn't look at a car and just be like, oh yeah, that person's attractive.
You shouldn't judge people. You shouldn't judge.
I don't think a car gives you status at all.
Back in the day, it was the man's job.
I actually think men are better drivers than women.
Watch out, internet, this is gonna get aggressive.
Downstairs. This is what Jan's been waiting for. Forget the offices upstairs. He wants to do this change down here. Today though, bang bang, the wall's getting built. Over here we've closed up that door. Everyone should see Jan running through in and out of it. That's now closed. And that is our blank canvas. We'll see how we get on for the day.
Sick.
Straight in. Oh no.
Look at him.
Young Will has turned up.
Hi Will. Hello.
Will is like the genius. Works for Daniel. He's brought Daniel's Asheville mobile because we need to put some security on it. Daniel's in the Maldives. Here's a little picture of him on a boat. It's like a bronze god, isn't he? Look at him. Anyway, yeah, so his car's in for some security. We've got a brand new Range Rover here, that's in for security as well. So yeah, we're still doing a bit of security here, why this place has been done up for my pal. Yeah, you got to do what you got to do. But while Will is here, we're going to tap into his brain. He's very clever, very, very clever. So got Gus and Si over there, they're going to tap into Will and we're going to use him for the next 2 hours while they're working on Daniel's car. Is that cool, Will?
Yes, no problem.
I love it. He's the nicest guy in the world. He's the nicest guy in the world. Anyway, Pub's on his way to get these sorted out. We'll come upstairs, have a tea, and see the Yiannimize media set up for the first time.
Oh my goodness. Look at the desk. Wow. Look at
Hello,
that.
mate.
You alright?
You good?
Good, how are you?
Yeah, long time no see, man. I'm good, man.
Oh my goodness, look at this. Why does it feel so much bigger? I thought your office used to feel big, but it was just here. Oh my goodness. This is crazy. It's crazy. It's crazy.
We built this table. We're going to set up a little jig, cut all of our radiuses for the cove wall, the infinity wall. Got to stand on it, making sure it can withstand the weight. We'll make a couple of templates, make sure that the radius, we're happy with the radiuses. We'll call Gus and Jan down, make sure they're happy with the curve. And if they're happy, we're good to go. That's our jig, about to give it a trial run. We've got our 800 piece of ply by the full 1200 length. So fingers crossed, this is our template. This is our trial run. If it all goes well and we're happy with the curve, we're gonna smash them all out. I need about 25 of them. This is our template that we've cut. Perfect radius. We bring down our plywood, our MDF, and our bendy MDF, and that should give us an exact curve. I think our templates come out quite well. What do you think, Jess?
I think that's sick.
Yeah? Now we can just bang them all out.
As you can see what's going on, this is like the curvy. This is obviously the infinity wall. It actually looks very cool, doesn't it? Yeah, this is what's involved to do a proper infinity wall so it doesn't crack, it doesn't break and stuff. It's all new for all of us. I'm sure it's going to work very, very well. We've got like the bendy. Look at the bendy. Look at this. This is quite cool.
Don't snap it.
But yeah, it's coming along nicely. Yeah, all good so far?
All good?
Any problems?
Not really. My machine broke, but got another one.
Okay, you said you're enjoying this. You do a lot of work, but this is something different, isn't it?
It's different to do, isn't it? It's different, you know. At the end of the day, you can do so much normal work. And then when you get asked to do something that you've not done before, actually, your brain wakes up again.
Yeah. Okay. So, we scrapped the media unit. If you've got a BMX or you've got a skateboard, this is the new joint. I've got to say, I'm impressed. You see that there, yeah, that's no joke. To get this, and the whole idea is for it not to crack. I'm not gonna stand on it. Matt, how you getting on?
Yep, smashed it, really.
Got white gloves?
Yeah.
Michael Jackson?
We don't want to get the foam on your hands, but we've just got that last row to do now. Yeah, be ready for a bit of filler and a bit of paint. After we've done that first coat, and we're going to do a little mock-up of the floor, what we're going to use for the floor.
Where are the tiles for the floor?
They're over there, you want some?
So these tiles are from Garage Style. They've done Milton Keynes, they've done here previously, and obviously they're in white because we need to keep it white.
The biggest issue, maybe it's not so much of an issue, it will depend on how accurate you want it to be.
Yeah.
The floor is quite uneven. For example, over here, the floor dips down. Our wall is exactly laser perfect, but we've got a big variation there of about 8 to 10 mil.
Okay, so for you guys at home, just so what's happening, so the floor's going to be white everywhere. When you walk in, you're going to have like a black run, so obviously they don't get dirty, which will run all the way down the side, so that way then people don't need to walk on there unless you're actually filming or unless we're doing something. So black run all the way down the side. All of that section is going to be black there, which you're going to see on the next video. But yeah, we're going to end the video right now. So we're cracking on. I think we're probably 2 weeks out from finishing.
Yeah.
So we're 2 weeks out from finishing. You will see the final video of what happens downstairs, and then we'll do a full video of the whole unit and the whole site of what's happened here, upstairs, at the back, and over there. Black Label Lifestyle have come in and they've got some sexy cars, and they've spent some serious money over there. So yeah, you're gonna see that. But anyway, we're gonna end the video now. Marcel, my family, love you long time, and we'll see you on the next one, guys. Take care. See you. What do you do here, Heather?
Everything.
Wow. Heavy breathing is incredible. You don't mess with this woman. We've got a Lamborghini Performante here. Big Teb, you obviously know Teb. That is a big front bumper.
I'm 12 and a half.
12 and a half? Oh, you're brand new.
Yeah, I'm fresh.
Do I like wraps?
Yeah. So that's a no. There's my new Sal, but he's an Arsenal supporter, so he's much better than Sal. Support Tottenham. Yeah. You might die before you actually win anything. Whose motorbike is that?
He have a lot of experience,
Yeah.
and I try to synchronize with him.
See, they've all got it, look, they've all got it. Look, they all get it now, they all know about the pause.